Finally found my pickle fork. But before I get distracted again, let me look up here and see how I need to detach this. Okay, it'll just come right off. Yeah, so just kind of give it some upward pressure, and this part will come right off. And this is what we're going to go into and splice our wires into the that little module. And this nut's real rusty, so we're going to go ahead and hit it with, you guessed it, PV blast. We got 9/16 up there, which I also have away from me. Once we get a lot of this disassembled, I'll go to O'Reilly's and get my the wrench tools for the lower ball joint and the pitman arm tools. Let's see if we can take care of that. Ooh, that sucker is tight. Not going to be fun. We're going to have to let that sit a little longer. Oh, there's it. Well, it went for a second and then stopped. There we go. So go for a little bit, do a little spin. Put pliers up there and kind of hold that. Get a little pair of or vice grips. Put your wrench over the top and hold on to that, and hopefully that'll do the trick. A little flat spot right on top. I'll line that up, and it should be good. Alright, that. Oh yeah, makes it easier. So we got some resistance, so it makes it easier. So just that little trick with the vice grips. Now, like I said, I don't think these shocks have ever been off the front, so I'm kind of excited to see how it rides after this. Now we can pop our strips. Hopefully get this off. And we can throw these ancient devices away. The bushings are pretty bad on them too. Oh, probably just put this back in the lower so we don't lose it. Like I said, I'm bad at that losing stuff. Alright, so there's progress there. There's the original bushing, which is a good idea, but we will not be reusing that. Shot. See if it'll go down. Yeah, I guess it's not too bad. Not really that bad of action, really. At least not for this one. So, but we'll see what we do. I think it'll ride better with the new stuff. So there's another old part. Good to go. So we're gonna pop these off so they're out of the way. We're not gonna need that anyways. Let's see. Because we need to pull that off and it'll be in the way. That. Nope. What size is it? I don't know. Let's be 13. Yeah, drink some Gatorade. My legs are going to be killing me all this up and down. Big old baby. And that's a half up there. Went ahead and got 10mm because that looks like what these are. Yep. Just to get this off of down here without breaking it. It's kind of interesting. I might have a bracket here. There's so much grime, I can't tell. Yeah. We'll find the bracket later. That does have a little sensor on it too, I think. Yeah. So I'll have to figure out what all we attach to. We might just unplug that one, I don't know. Because it is a combined unit there. What it might happen is this reads to this one. That might be what it reads. So it reads all this information and goes back to this. So we may not even need to mess with, we can just delete all that harness. But we're going to play around with that and figure that out next. Or once we're all back together. Probably all that harness, that's all together there. Probably all that harness can go except for this. We'll do our new module right there. I bet you this reads here, back to here, then this crosses over. And the main frame, or the harness, is over on that side. Because from some reading I've read on the auto ride, is that if you don't, and this could be just scare tactics, I don't know, but if you don't do the modules or do some kind of a resistor and let it know that there's a load on the system, then you'll have issues with your ABS module. I've had that before, and I don't want that. So we'll see how that works. We'll see how it works. Plug this. Of course, that's stuck there. Of course. No, it's not stuck there. Now, before you pull your A-arms off, obviously, you're going to want to look at some, just check your positions here on your pieces. I might just take a Sharpie, clean the sides up real good with some super clean here. I'll wipe those off and then just do a Sharpie, just match it right back up so that the guys at the alignment shop makes the job a little bit easier, hopefully, and it'll be safer to drive once we get there. This has been kind of, for me, kind of a year of front-end jobs. Well, if you count two, you know, a lot of work. There we go. But anyways, come on! Alright, there's that. Okay, so we got that much off. Yeah, so you might just, you know, mark the locations of these brackets here. I forget their name, but that's supposed to help with keeping the alignment set up right for you. Make it easier on yourself as possible, and for the the guy working on it. All that walk around, I still forgot to get new racks. Oh well. All right, let's see here. All right, I can't remember if I broke loose the upper ball joint. Yeah. Well, at least it's spinning. It might just be spinning. Nope, it's loose. Cool. That's easy. We'll see what the other side does. That's weird. I think this is all factory because there's no cotter pins. So I don't know if these are a lock wash design or what. Probably. So, kind of interesting. So we'll get these loose, leave the nuts on, and then tap out tap the ball joint, break it loose, and then we can take the nuts off and then pull our spindle out. I hope. That gives us enough room. We just put our pickle fork in there and knock it out. And we've already got upper and lower ball joints loose. So the big thing will be tapping to break them loose from the ball joint itself. So looks like this is a good area on this side. Maybe actually a nice flat area there, and then a pretty good area down over on this side. Just make sure you watch where you smash. Use some cardboard to see if I can have a little bit less mess. We'll see if that actually works. I don't know. Don't hit your ABS. Oh, my ears. Wow. I gotta grab some headphones for that. Woo. They're buzzing. Yeah, I need more rags. Try this puller here and see what happens. I don't know if there's actually enough, I don't know if there's anything actually to grab and into the center. Yeah, that's the key. Because for this particular set, there's nothing to center. Yeah, a puller would be nice for this application, but as you can see, there's nothing to center the bolt on. So that won't work for this application. Not this one, anyways. Sure. Let's see if we can get pickle fork. I'm thinking this pickle fork's too small for this. The way it feels. Oh, no, there you go. There goes the grease. Yeah. Gross. Alright, going for the earphones. It really seems like the key is just kind of taking your time and working it. Easier said than done sometimes. Alright, so we're going to grab this nut off the bottom. Actually, I'm not sure it's actually broke from the bottom yet. Yeah, I don't think we're broke from here yet. We're broke from up top, not down here. Interesting. I don't think. Yeah. Okay, we gotta work some more on the bottom. Interesting. Makes sense. Alright, so I don't know if it's just bound, which is very possible. So we're going to try applying a little pressure to the control arm and see if that helps us a little bit. Now if we can just get by without smacking the jack, the new jack. Oh wow. I think our hammer was trying to get away. Look at that. Alright, so we've got that much done so far. I've still got to go rent my tool for the pitman arm puller and lower ball joints. So what we might do, that's all basically ready. Biggest thing is getting that out. We get everything unattached. Guess we can clean up here on those control arms and make our marks for that and see what we'll need. Might do that real quick first so we can just pull that off. Yeah, but that lower ball joint is just being super stubborn. I'm not sure what to do with that. Other than it's a car. And that's what cars do, is be stubborn. Alright, let's go to the other side. Let me set the camera and run that.